live stream. I'm gonna go over this thing. Yeah, but all my fans, this is a big send to y'all, big shout out, well, not shout out, but, I'm just giving y'all information that soon, okay, I'm only 9, and, so my grandma says if I can keep my room clean without being told to for 30 days, I can get a bird. And I'm really committed to that. I know that. Do I know how I know that? Well, it's kind of simple. I was kind of up all night just rearranging my room until I eventually fell asleep. And I'm still working. Well, not right now, but I'm going to finish it in a minute. Just gotta do my bed and little stuff like that. I even rearranged my room. I did everything. I want a bird. I'm getting a parakeet / budgie. Yeah, but they're recommended by a lot of researchers, so I decided why not. But I was gonna get one of these puppies that I have, but I guess now they're all 21 of them are for sale, or 22. I don't really. There are too many to keep count of. There are 2 moms, Harley, Raven. They're all good pups. They're all very beautiful. They're all they're 4-part dog. So if you're looking for a full breed, they're not full breed. Although 2 of them look like they're literally full breed. Some of them look like huskies. But that's no surprise because the dad, Zorro, is we don't have him to show y'all, but he's a pretty dog. He's like, he's a husky German Shepherd, and the moms are, part Pyrenees, and then part, I can't remember the other part, but yeah, I'll show you what the moms look like. So they basically both look like this. The other one's over there. She's kind of hard to see. I'll get you it up close. The bigger puppies belong to Harley, the mom. Yeah, she's really sweet. But she's not for sale, okay? She's not for sale. She's our baby. And then over here is Raven. She's a little more shy, but she's also aggressive when it comes to food. Aren't you, little baby? Yeah, but soon I'm going to be getting a budgie. What inspired me to get a bird really was this girl named Jaden Animations. If y'all haven't seen her videos, go check them out. So shout out to Jaden Animations. Yeah. So there's I've named some of the pups, but you can rename them. But one that I would specifically like you to keep if you get that pup is Avatar. She has a tannish coat, brown eyes, and has like a little arrow on her head. If y'all have ever seen Avatar, not the one with the blue people, the one about airbenders and avatars and stuff. If y'all have seen that kind of one, then shout out to y'all, and please like, comment, and subscribe, and put the notifications on. Yeah. The main reason was Jaden Animations, but after I did research, I didn't know. At first, I thought I was gonna get something big. Well, I've never had a bird before, but then I realized that I did like research and stuff, and I realized that I really don't want a big bird, and you're not supposed to get big birds as beginner birds, and basically all people recommend budgies, so that's one of the reasons I'm getting a budgie. Most people suggest budgies, finches, or cockatiels, But out of all of them, I think the best one is Budgies, because we often have little kids around us. Yeah, like we often have little kids around us. Obviously, I'm still gonna keep it caged for the first couple months, maybe even a year. But maybe once but they're I'd say I could trust Kaylee, the oldest one, because she's pretty responsible. I know I can't trust the littler one, Gunner. It's not that he's mean or anything. It's just that he doesn't really understand animals that well. He just always seems to grab the dogs by like the neck, like not the way their moms do, just like grab them literally by the neck. And so I think that I think I can trust Kaylee, because all the puppies love her. They love Gunner too, but they just don't love them as much as they do her. She's good with the dogs and all. So yeah, the reason I do have a cat, but she's an outside cat, and my bird's definitely gonna be an inside animal. Yeah, and when I do get my bird a month from now, I will make sure to video when I get him, because I think I'm gonna get him at a pet store or a breeder. That's what my grandma said. I showed her this $20 one, but she was kind of upset because she wants me to get one without shots and everything. She says it'll be like a couple $100, but she says that I shouldn't be trying to go for a cheap one, because that one probably hasn't had its shots and isn't probably not a baby. Yeah, she kind of got upset when I showed her that. So yeah, we're gonna go. I'd recommend going to a pet store rather than going to Craigslist or a shelter or someplace that's taken care of them. Like, not like feed them and water them, but praise them and gave them attention whenever they did something right. Yeah, someplace like a shelter or I was gonna get something like a shelter or a store. Mom, say hi to my YouTube fam. What? Say hi. Okay, hold on. My mom's on her phone like 20 hours a day.
Who are you talking to?
My phone. My YouTube.
Oh, you're making a video?
My mom doesn't understand anything.
Are you talking to someone on the phone?
No.
I was about to say, you better not be talking to someone right now.
Why would I be? My mom's a weirdo. Excuse her.
Well, I was
Yeah, my mom's kind of a weirdo. Ignore her. My mom doesn't even think I should get a bird. Of course, I probably shouldn't. But I'm doing research, and it's only the first day of the month so far. And I've learned tons about budgies. Did you know if you give them too much seed, that can cause cancer? Like, you shouldn't give them full-on time seed. You should give them other little foods, like fruits. Fruits are recommended, I'd say, because they make up a special part of the diet. And so how I would do my bird is, a special way I would do my bird is to, I think that, every couple days I make them a special treat, or maybe just once a day, I make them a special little treat, or once every couple days. If y'all know what I should do with the whole fruit thing, or give them the fruit if they done something good. If any of y'all are bird people and y'all really know any of the answers, that would help a lot. So yeah, that'd be helpful. Yeah, but I'm gonna be doing more research, and yeah, I'm gonna get a big cage, and I don't know what I'm gonna name the bird. So if any of y'all have an idea for what I should name my bird, I think I'm either gonna get a blue, green, or white one. So you could, if you want to, you could list a name for all three of those, or an orange one or red one, because I've seen beautiful pictures of this. If you've seen this guy on YouTube, please comment that you've seen him. But I was researching birds, and he had this bird named Mango, and I thought that bird was so cute, and I think that bird is so cute. Yeah. There's also this guy with this gray parrot called Smokey. You should check him out. And he recently got a new bird that's green. I think it's a macaw. I'm not 100% sure, and I'm not sure what he named her, but she doesn't know how to fly yet from the last video I've watched. And yeah, he made a video about how to deal with your bird, and he went step by step, and he showed me how I should, like, maybe if my birds bite me, what to do, or even slightly too hard, then what I should do. So yeah, shout out to that guy. I don't even know either of these channels' names, so I have to use the details I've given you. But yeah, that guy and that guy, they were cool. So also, as I said earlier, shout out to Jake. Ari's cute. Yeah. And I watch her other videos too. The first one I saw about Ari, I didn't really know that so many people had birds. I thought that it was a kind of rare pet. And then I learned that it was the third most common pet, and I was like, what the heck? I didn't know that birds were such a popular pet. Before her, I didn't really care that much about birds. I was like, cool, they're birds. I kind of didn't even know you could have small birds as a pet, or doves. I especially didn't know you could keep doves as a pet, but they're gentler, they're sweeter, is what I've got from some. Oh, and there's also this teenager girl with like 4 birds, I think, and she has 4 birds, and shout out to her because she gave advice on getting birds, and she was the one that actually taught me that you can keep a dove as a pet. I actually thought maybe I should get a dove, but I thought budgies would be better because I liked, even if I was well trained, I'd prefer a budgie. I don't know why, I don't really feel like getting a big bird, like maybe until I've had like at least like 5, maybe 4 birds until I get but once I can get a big one, I'm gonna get one like that Smokey bird. It's gray and it has like a red tail, and I think that one is so pretty. Yeah, so I think I might get that one once I can get a big bird after like 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, at least like 3 birds. Or yeah, if I do good with those birds, at maybe 3 after 3. Yeah, because I really like birds. I think they're really cool. At first, I didn't really have too much of a passion about it. I asked my grandma, she said no. It was whatever to me, but then I learned more about them, and I just wanted them more and more and more, and so I made a deal with my grandma. So if I can keep my room clean and do chores for her to pay for the bird, she, for a month, will let me get a bird, and I'm really excited about that, guys. Well, guys and girls, so I can't do a video longer than this because I think it's going too long, and so I think I'm gonna have to cut the video. But bye guys, and play Pokemon, and cut.